Greatest time movie, it's the greatest time movie, yeah. The Termite Kid finds himself trapped on a clothesline, being electrified by zombie walruses who answer to the name of Glenn. Somebody help me! Somebody! What's up about? I'm a Termite Kid. I'm an Encino lover. I want a pizza and I want the dog shit on my face. Oh. Who's the talking out there? The Termite Kid don't like it, the talking. Oh, the Termite Kid gonna fly over and gonna fucking drop kick him up. Gonna fucking sit on a chair and just fucking lay around. Oh, the Termite Kid. Oh, Termite Kid. Change top, I want Termite Kid.
Musta getirnosika bakati mesela sonra.
Sinun da bana bırakışmıyor. Sinun burmana şımındı. Sinun burmana şımındı.
No!
Heitä burmana skääna brosa. Onko nimessä? Harmeido. Kuka baka. Hatamanya.
¿Qué?
Yo shit about you on the managona. What's the knees? Nika. You want the kneecap?
Habla español.
You got his kneecaps? You got his kneecaps? I'll fucking...
Oh, shit!
I'll fucking eat kneecaps. I'll fucking eat kneecaps better. I love your kneecaps. Oh, hey man. Oh, sorry, eh?
Fucking hell, man. You better be sorry.
Sorry, I done them.
Fucking hurt that little cunt.
Hey, you know what? You know what, you're a pussy, I can't.
Yeah, I'm pussy, yeah. Fuck you.
Yeah, one blowjob later, are You're a Vegemite sandwich, I
Yeah,
can't.
pussy, your mother's a pussy.
I love you, come on.
Yeah, give me a kiss.
Just touch me on the balls, alright?
Come on, baby.
Tell me I'm your ballsack lover.
You know I love you, Grandma.
I love masses. I love mashing masses. Hello, Georgia Lucas.
Tell me
Would you
I'm a
like me for your
ballsack lover.
new fucking movie? You penis-sucking Star Wars jockey? I want some tasty kneecaps. Come on, huh? Ah!